It is the micrograph of rough endoplasmic reticulum around the nucleus. Dark circles in this are the mitochondria. In this image of endoplasmic reticulum, hepatocyte cells showing mitochondria are yellow and endoplasmic reticulum blue. It is the endoplasmic reticulum. Blue are the mitochondria and yellow are the endoplasmic reticulum. In this image we can see there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum was first discovered by Garnier in 1897 with the help of light microscopy. He named it as ergastoplasm. Then reticulum term was coined by Porter in 1953. Reticulum means network. Definition of endoplasmic reticulum. At endoplasmic reticulum, it is a continuous membrane system that forms series of latent sacs within the cytoplasm and help in the synthesis, folding, modification, and transport of proteins. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, because of the rough appearance due to attached ribosomes on it. It is adjacent to the nucleus. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes on rough endoplasmic reticulum help in the synthesis of proteins. The ribosome possess specific signal sequence that directs to the ER for further processing. Proteins on some remains in endoplasmic reticulum. Proteins on rough endoplasmic reticulum has specific final destination. Some remains in the endoplasmic reticulum. Others sent to the Golgi apparatus, then lysosomes for further processing. Some are sent to the cell exterior. The ribosomes on the rough endoplasmic reticulum sent into the rough endoplasmic reticulum lumen, where protein folding, modification, and assembly occurs. Proximity of the rough endoplasmic reticulum with the cell nucleus is unique. It controls over all protein processing. Rough endoplasmic reticulum sends signal to the nucleus if there is problem in the synthesis and folding. It influences overall rate of protein translation. When misfolded or unfolded, then unfolded protein response is activated. Unfolded protein response triggers the reduction in the protein synthesis and it enhances the folding capacity of the protein. If adaptive response means UPR, unfolded response fails, then apoptosis, programmed cell death occurs. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is not associated with the ribosomes. Means there is no synthesis of proteins. It helps in the synthesis of lipids, cholesterol and phospholipids, which help in the production of new cellular membranes. Then steroid hormones from cholesterol are synthesized on with the help of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In liver, smooth endoplasmic reticulum help in the detoxification of drugs and harmful chemicals. Then we discuss the shape of endoplasmic reticulum. Here is the nucleus. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is coated with the nucleus. These are red color round circles are attached ribosomes on rough endoplasmic reticulum. These are smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes are not attached on the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum help in the synthesis of proteins, while smooth endoplasmic reticulum help in the production of lipids. It was all overview of endoplasmic reticulum.